snowing outside, 2025, January 20th, 2025, at about 4 o'clock in the morning. This is what we woke up to this morning. It's snowing pretty good. Yeah. We weren't supposed to we didn't get a lot of inches, so we were supposed to get snow. I take that back. If you're wondering what that noise is, that's probably wind chimes. I mean, it's coming down pretty good right now. I mean, it's not even a real dusting, it's real snow, if you ask me. Let's go in the back, shall we? Let's go in the back. Yeah, it's more snow right here. It's probably the same as it was out in the front. Try not to drop my phone. The snow. Yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. I'm telling you that. Check in a bit.